So we have made it to Koh Mak and it is time to explore. Today, guys, you are seeing behind the scenes of a documentary
Everyone, today is really special. I think we told you guys in the last vlog when we were half asleep and on the way to Koh Mak that we were going to be filming a documentary, and we came, well, we're not going to be filming anything. These wonderful people are filming a documentary, and they were so kind to ask us to come over here, and so they flew us from South Korea over to Thailand, which, you know, was not a hard sell at all. And now, guys, what are we doing?
We're setting up to grill you guys about traveling.
I like to be grilled. Medium, please. Medium. Not well done.
All right, so after everyone's set up, they're getting everything ready by the beach because we're gonna start the day with the sit-down interview with us, and then we're gonna go do the exploring so that way we don't look like a hot mess after a full day of like jumping in the water,
right,
and sweating.
And having good lighting is really important too, and it's been really cool to be around other people. Obviously, we're not documentary makers, we're vloggers, and the niche is very different, but at the end of the day, it's people who understand things like lighting and good audio, and, you know, aren't camera shy and are very bubbly and charismatic, and I love that. We've been so in our element with this group. Yeah. We became Insta friends.
Hands down. And so we're super excited for today, but actually check out how they're setting it up. These cameras and their equipment is so cool.
So professional.
You know, just happily working in paradise.
Thailand is so beautiful, guys. I feel like I'm in paradise. Koh Mak, my goodness, I feel like I have a private island to myself, and the water's gorgeous, the sand is soft, there's all these trees and swings and hammocks, like, this isn't even real life. This is amazing. I am a happy camper. Hello, getting mic'd up, guys.
Yes, mic'd up. Sorry, you already have the, yeah, beautiful. So then it's off right now, but I'll turn it on right before we're about to roll.
Okay, perfect, that sounds great. So we're having a little bit of an audio difficulty, but I think we're just gonna mime the whole rest of the documentary now. It's gonna be a figurative dance.
Yeah, I was gonna say a silent film, but I do think interpretive dance is the way to tell this story.
Royalty free music, please.
Honestly, tears. A tear. A single tear. I felt a lot of story in that.
So we just finished the interview portion of the documentary, and that was really fun. It was great being able to tell our story and hopefully encourage some of you guys out there as well to, you know, travel or even just chase your dreams, because, you know, we really do just have one life to live. But anyway, we go on a whole rant about that on the documentary. As soon as we have details, they will be down in the description. But now we're doing the exploration part of the documentary, where we're going to go onto motorbikes and then just take them on a day with Chase for Adventure, take them on a vlog, and you guys get to come along behind the scenes. He's a psycho. After being in China and then going to South Korea and Taiwan for a month, we haven't been on a motorbike for quite a while. And so it is kind of fun to be back on two wheels again. I know that I'm like the last person that you probably thought I would ever say this, but I've missed it.
And surprisingly here, they don't give you helmets.
Yeah.
I was like, okay, I mean, I guess it is a small island, you shouldn't be going that fast.
Yeah, and there isn't enough traffic or things to hit, so.
There's no traffic.
Well, wish us luck.
Oh, they're back.
And we have made it to I don't know where.
This is Secret Beach / the least secret beach, but it looks like a secret beach.
Fair enough. So we're going to a secret beach.
To jump in the water, so.
Hey you! Are you tired of those really ugly and boring disposable masks that you've probably been wearing because of the current situation? Well guys, so I have news for you. Our Chase for Adventure shop has just launched today, so make sure that you click down the link in the description if you want super cool and cute travel themed masks like this one. And actually, because we loved India so much, we came out with an India collection that you can see right around here. So make sure that you click the link down in the description and grab your super cute, super comfy Chase for Adventure travel mask. See you in there. Guys, chances are, if I'm by a beach, Annette wants to jump into the water. Wow, and this water just went.
Oh, wow. Just all the reasons we love Thailand.
Wow.
Oh my God.
I love being in the ocean where I can see islands dotted on. Oh my god, and there's
All
nobody
around.
here.
Oh, this is beautiful.
We just have to build really quick.
No, I'm so offended. God. You guys take so long.
Promise.
Oh, hello, wow. I look behind us and there's a zillion cameras.
Annette, I think we're famous.
Oh my god. Where?
Where?
Did they find me?
Well, they
I'm
definitely
just
didn't
kidding.
find mine.
They're
We're gonna walk down this beach a little bit because there are a handful of people here and we want to get to where it's private. So if everyone says there's a secret beach within the secret beach. So wow, we should have worn sunscreen. My skin is already burning.
I am learning new lingo with my friends and I am shook. That is the word of the day.
Shook. You guys should start doing word of the day. Like you have nomadic Mondays, word of the day Tuesday.
Haha, yes!
All right.
Phone in hand for the gram.
Yeah, do you want to Instagram it?
And guys, my favorite time has come. Time to get into the water.
All right, we're gonna get in the water and then we'll see you guys right after.
Yeah, me and Daniel like left and we were supposed to be filming all of this B-roll and it really just turned into some location scouting real quick.
Well, it worked out.
Yeah.
So we just finished swimming and it was so nice. The water here is really salty, so it was very easy to float around and splash around. I taught our other friend Daniel, by the way, there are 3 Daniels on this trip, so that's interesting.
Say hi, Daniel.
Hi. Wait, me?
Say hi.
Hi.
Or wait, were they talking to me?
And we're all Virgos.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's true. All of you guys were Virgos.
Are you sure you guys are brothers?
They might be, because that's a tree. So anyway, the water was really nice. And guys, this place is so beautiful and scenic. Anyway, we're starving. So we're gonna go find some food now. Hopefully Thai food, but we'll just see what happens, y'all. I never want to leave. Old Hollywood.
Well,
so we've made it to food. We're eating at this place called Rabbit Bar. It looks pretty good. There's people there, which is, you know, always a good sign.
It's always a good thing. The food wasn't really that good, so we're gonna go to another place and eat. Anyways, bye.
Some behind the scenes action. Hello.
hello.
What are we doing?
So, you know, as you guys clearly know, when you're in Thailand, you're on a motorbike, and you see a weirdly vague sign and a very sketchy dirt path, the absolute best thing to do is to just drive to the end of that path and see what's there. So, that's what we're gonna do.
Are we doing it now?
Daniel just wants his friend. He's gonna do that. That's my husband. Alright, well that wasn't the most stressful 5 minutes of my whole day. But I'm gonna kickstand down.
And I'm getting.
You did great.
I love these things.
And we have made it to Banana Sunset. It was literally a very short drive down the dirt road. A little dicey at points, but thankfully it was quick. And we have come here to literally have a drink and stare at the sunset.
Beautiful.
Daniel, you're missing the biggest attraction at Banana Sunset.
Oh my gosh, the mural!
The minions.
That minion is smoking a cigarette.
Yeah.
And you have a UFO.
This one has found a lady friend to take. And that minion looks lit. Look at his face.
Not the minions you watch on TV. Sawadee-ka. Why is paradise in Thailand? He's gonna show us a secret about this place.
Okay, look in that direction and tell me when you see it.
Oh my god!
What?
Let us know when you see
Let
it.
us know when you see it.
It's wooden.
No, there's
Old man.
Look at the old man, Daniel. Nose.
Oh my god!
But you know, if you wanted to see a cave full of phalluses, Watchtower,
Really?
Railay Beach video on Pranang Beach, which Pranang doesn't mean cock, but it might as well.
It might as well.
Ah, okay.
So where do you want us?
So what you guys are actually seeing right now is us posing for the documentary.
It's really cool.
Yeah.
They have been having us do all of the clips all around the restaurant, and then some of them came out super beautiful.
They did.
It was like Daniel and I kissing, or Daniel and I snuggling, and us with a cocktail in hand.
Anyways, I think they're gonna keep talking or keep filming.
Actually,
but
we're
the
gonna ask
shoulder
them
is
while
actually
sharing.
getting really sore.
Oh, okay. I can
I'm
hold it
tired.
if you want.
No, I got it. I got
Okay,
it.
just
It's
kidding.
a workout.
It's a
We'll
workout.
go for it.
Let us know whenever you guys are done with your
Yeah.
shot, because then we'll put the stabilizer down. Oh, amazing. Thank you guys so much for joining us on this behind the scenes of this documentary opportunity. Like I mentioned, we don't know the name or when it's coming out, but the moment that we know something, it's going to be down in the description. Hopefully later in 2020, maybe 2021. But either way, you guys will be in the know, and thanks. Make sure you guys click the subscribe button down below. Click one of the end screens, binge watch from the beginning, or whatever's over here. And we will see you on our next adventure.